If you are seeing Roku Error 009, your Roku is connected to your Wi-Fi, but it cannot reach the internet. Let's walk through the steps to fix this in this video. First, check your internet. Before changing any settings, make sure other devices in your home, like a phone or laptop, can successfully access the internet. If other devices are also offline, perform a restart on your modem and router. Unplug them, wait 2 minutes, and plug them back in. Wait for the status lights to stabilize. Once your internet connection is back, restart your Roku device. This will help force a fresh network connection. Next, test the connection directly from your Roku settings to confirm that it can reach the internet again. If you still see the error, try forgetting your Wi-Fi network in the settings menu, and then reconnect by re-entering your network password. Check your device's date and time settings. An incorrect date or time can sometimes cause issues with secure internet connections. If the problem persists, try restarting any ISP-provided equipment, such as your gateway or mesh system, to ensure they are functioning correctly. If all your devices lose internet access after your troubleshooting, there may be a service outage in your area from your internet provider. As a last resort, you can perform a factory reset. Please note that this will remove all your Roku settings and apps, so use this only if other steps fail. Finally, run the network test again. If both connection and internet status show green, you have successfully fixed the error. Thanks for watching.